That's a go, 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 I guess.
Okay. Well, I guess.
Go.
We got one on the TP.
How far?
Mid-range. You watch the door.
We got one on TP, mid-range.
Mid-range? That's not my range. You'll be fine.
Yeah, I don't see.
I'm gonna do a speed
They're
stop.
just putting rounds on the corner. If you peek your head out, you're gonna get shot.
Chill out.
Just,
Wait for them to
yeah, they're just putting rounds right on that corner.
They might see you, but they're not hitting you.
Cover our left side for now. We'll hold this right until we can
Well,
push
we got
up.
4 rentals over here, so I think we're good.
Yeah.
Chances are 4 rentals and taking one guy. You got a guy pushing?
One down, one down, one down.
Is he pushing?
Yeah, he went to this tree. I shot him.
Nice.
He's hit now. Get out! Clear.
Can we move up
All right,
here?
he's at the corner of the back building.
Back building, okay.
I think I shot him. All right, back TP again. TP. Building.
That corner building that we usually camp, and then a TV over there.
Copy.
Oh, yeah.
They're moving, they're moving!
Just hold the left, hold the left. Hold that right.
Right, so we were concerned. I mean, they're in the push on the right, are they?
No, they're just holding this line here. Can we get into the building?
What's the building layout?
One down, one down.
I got you.
Clear. B, I'm in the building.
Copy. Right looks clear for now.
Back building. Changing.
We got a guy, close, right.
Close right, copy. Watch your left, watch your right.
I'm just watching door.
Copy that.
I'm hard scoping rid of the barrier.
Oh, I did. Okay, I think I got that guy.
Dead, he's dead.
Yeah, I think I shot that dude.
You wanna move up a room?
Yeah. Clear to the left. I don't know about our right.
Changing?
Across the field.
All the way across?
One of them is dead.
Nice.
Ah, hit! Hit!
There, guy. Middle building. Guy, middle building. Got a guy. You have 2 guys. I don't think I can do this myself, man. What the?
You out? Clear? Hey, B? B, are you in? Fuck. That's game. Game
Oh shit!
over.
Oh, bro, sorry. I made it all the way through. That was dirty. Filthy. I straight hauled ass all the way down, dove into a bush, got two, came up here, got one more.